Police on Tuesday arrested 3 members of the National Constitutional Assembly (NCA) outside the party's offices along Hebechitepo Avenue in Harare, disrupting a national executive meeting convened to discuss the enactment of Constitutional Amendment Act No. 3. Sarabina Mashuka tuona kuti panguva ina members of the NCA arrested on oversubscribe like on the bill icon. Timna mnamobda wa mchinzi. The meeting called by NCA leader Professor Lavo Madugo was intended to brief the party leadership following President Emmerson Mnangagwa signing of the Constitutional Amendment No. 3 into law. The 3 members are being detained at the Harare Central Police Station. The reasons for the arrest were not immediately clear, as police did not disclose the charges they face. Police also cordoned off the NCA headquarters and reportedly arrested party members who had gathered for the meeting. Despite the disruption, the meeting was later relocated and proceeded at an alternative venue. Addressing party members, Madugu reiterated the NCA's opposition to the constitutional amendments, saying the movement would challenge the new law through both legal and political means. On the legal front, he said the NCA would continue pursuing constitutional court cases challenging the validity of the amendments. Politically, Madugu said the NCA was working with other organizations opposed to the amendments, including the Constitutional Defenders Forum, led by Tendai Biti. They defended the Constitution Platform, the Zimbabwe Congress of Trade Unions, and the other civic groups under the Sungano Yevano coalition. He added that the NCA would also organize peaceful demonstrations to express its opposition to Constitutional Amendment No. 3. Doma developments are pangwa inai. Penagome section medu za mfugira in more live on these developments aruga pangwa inai are shocking. Penagome section medu, subscribe or like, watch it on the bell icon.